So we're putting a SkySki seatbelt on an Evolution tower. And these same instructions pretty much apply for any SkySki belt with any tower that has seatbelt swivels. So as you can see, this ring doesn't break or come apart, and neither does this. So the trick is, you just take this belt, give it a good tug until it's slightly off kilter, and then flip the seatbelt over, run it up through the swivel, and it'll just pretty much, a little bit of finesse is required. It'll go through there. Goes right through there, and swivel it back around to the top. That goes through the ring. Undo that side. It goes through the other swivel on the other side. And that's it. You are mounted.